Alright, lovely evening. Shout out to everyone. Ayan. Ito, once again, another song na magpapaalala sa inyong mga kabataan, yung mga high school days, mga JS, prom, 'di ba? Ito yung mga kantahan yan eh. Alright, okay.
Scott's 100% vitamin C.
So yummy, so fruity.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Scotts ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Alright, a song by David Pomeranz, Got to Believe in Magic. Ibabalik kayo sa mga alaala ng mga kabataan nyo. Alright, okay, ang kantang to, Got to Believe in Magic. Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. And all the stars around, and every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait, trust in love to fade, finding out too late that we've lost it, never letting go, and they will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other, and in a world that's full of strangers, you got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so, and all I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. Tell me how the people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. Got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Visit, inaatake ko ng mga gamo-gamo. Guys, mag-end live muna ako. Daming gamo-gamo. Shout out to everyone. Daming gamo-gamo.